Whoa.
Whoa.
Whoa, that's a big old one.
What is it? Looks like carp. Oh. Fish on? Yep.
Woo.
Holy moly, what the hell is this thing?
Seems like a small one.
Bass?
Maybe. I think it kind of looks like a small one.
Wow.
I don't know.
Cool.
I mean, I don't know. Anyway. Uh-oh.
Huh?
Oh.
Woo!
Catfish.
Of course a catfish.
Our favorite. Alright. Maybe that guy wants it.
Maybe. See, it is kind of tiny. Well, for a catfish anyway.
There you go.
Nice.
Woo! That's a nice color.
Yeah,
Golden color.
that's actually pretty nice.
Okay, I want to see that more. Any of these guys.
Okay. Fish on, Chad.
Fish on. Oh, I see it. It's a catfish.
Ah, catfish. Woo!
Okay.
All right. Catfish. All right. Yeah. Okay, you guys. Okay. Let's go. Whoa. The little ones, yeah. Yeah, that's good. So we caught a catfish so far, Chap has, and a little pan-sized striper. Good job. Let's catch some more, huh? Hopefully we do. And then on day 1, we caught 2 catfish. And you guys will see that sometime. I don't know. But anyway, like the new shirt? Forget about it. Frankie, stay here.
Does not look appetizing.
Oh, fish on. What do you think this is? Striper?
Catfish.
Wow, there it is.
Woo.
Oh.
Hey!
Oh, baby striper.
Another baby one.
Yeah! Woo!
It's spinning!
Okay. All right. You got it?
Yeah.
Are we on?
Yeah.
Here's the corn. Boom. Here's one more corn like you wanted it.
That's so mean.
Wow. Hold on. All right. Oh. Go ahead, bud.
Hey, Daisy. All right.
watch out.
Good job.
Yeah.
Good job.
Thank you.
Good job, bud.
Its stomach's fat.
Hey, hey. Fatty.
Whoa.
Little bit. Woo!
Fish on.
Fish on, guys, and it's like
You
a
have to use that tension a little bit more.
loosen it or tighten it.
Don't want to rip it. Oh, look at that big old.
Whoa.
Whoa.
Whoa, that's a big old one.
What is it? Looks like carp. Oh.
It is, huh? Oh yeah.
Yeah, you're gonna have to
put
it in right there. Yeah.
Go
okay.
go over there. Go to the left a little bit.
Yeah. Oh man. What are you gonna do?
No, just yep. Go closer.
There you go.
Yeah, there you go.
And then you gotta grab it.
Now you gotta grab it. You gotta grab it. You gotta grab it.
Okay. Grab it. Anywhere.
It's look at this. Look.
Oh, actually, going down.
It's hooked on. I don't know if you guys can see it. Right there. Look. It's on the fin, you guys. Wait, shadow. Yeah. Hold on here.
It's gonna fall in.
Okay. Where can I?
By the mouth. Same thing to kill in the mouth. This is how you get them. Unbelievable. Yeah, you gotta grab it.
I'm trying.
Slimy thing.
Slimy. I can't. Okay. Okay, I got it.
Alright, I'm gonna get you.
Oh.
Can you help your mom? You didn't get her by the mouth. Yeah.
By the fin.
Alright.
Whoa.
Official carp.
Oh. Look at that, guys. It did?
I'm like, where's the string?
Where's the string? Jeez. This
Alright.
is something
Wow,
crazy.
that's a mama one. Look at it.
Look at how fat that thing is.
Alright.
Whoa.
First carp.
You want to hold it? Look at this.
Yeah.
That's huge. Woo! Carp, guys. Here we go. Chad caught it, but Mama has to hold it. Okay. Releasing?
Yeah.
Releasing time.
That's a mama one.
Come over here.
Yeah.
Right.
Whoa. There you go.
It'll go. It's fine.
How the heck you caught the fin?
I don't know.
All right. And as you saw, a humongous carp. We didn't even know we had a bite. It's getting dark, so I think we're gonna have to wrap it up. As you can tell, it's kind of hard out here. But anyway, until next time, happy fishing.